Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use your Atome virtual card online. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Play Store, App Store, whatever you have on Android or on iOS, and download the application. Once you download it, here you can simply log in using your credentials or create a new email. After you sign up, you'll have to add the personal information of yours, including the legal full name, identity number, date of birth, gender, nationality, email, and so on. And after that, you'll have to enter your mobile number and they will send you an OTP. Just enter the OTP and confirm your mobile number. And after that, you will have to add a payment method, whether it's credit card or debit card. And you can set your debit card or credit card that you have added as a primary one. And once you are done, you will have to activate your card. And I have made a video on how to activate your card. You can see it on the channel. After that, here you have the card right now. If you want to use the virtual card, you'll have to go and online shop. You have to go for a tour on Amazon or any other websites that you want to purchase online. And when you choose the payment method, here you have Atome. Just choose it and you will use the Atome virtual card in order to pay for this product or purchase. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.